quick video on the Beerte or Beerte, whatever the hell it is, dash mount for a 22 Ram 1500. This is a limited, and I like it a lot. It's all plastic, but whatever. The magnets are pretty strong. You know, it holds onto my case for my 15 Pro Max, iPhone 15 Pro Max very well. Super tight, even with those ring stands. It fits really nice, and then it has almost like some adjustability. So I don't know if you can see, but the actual ring has like grooves on it. Hold on, in a moment. I think they're on the back. So it has like a couple grooves, like 3 or 4 grooves, and you can set that higher or lower on the actual mount. And then the mount itself is pretty like wonky. So it has like 2 little tabs in the back and 2 tabs in the front that actually grab onto like the bottom part of your vent. So they don't actually grab onto the vent. So I mean, they're a little bit in the way, but you can still adjust it quite a bit. But yeah, so it grabs back here. But for whatever reason, it's like too big. So it doesn't fit great. But what I did is I put double-sided tape, just like 2 strips back here, and then 2 strips on each side of this thing. And as I put it to test fit it, it fit perfectly. So now it doesn't, it moves a bit, but it doesn't come off. And yeah, I mean, bumpy roads and everything, phone on here and nothing. So yeah, that's the fix. I know it has a couple reviews that like it sucks because it doesn't fit right, and they're right. But if you put double-sided tape and like don't even take off the back end of the little plastic whatever that it has on there, the backing, it fits perfectly. So it just needs like a little bit of a lift to be able to make a tight fit. Yeah, I mean it's all nice. So here we go. So this is all I did. Oh, it has 1 tab in the back. You can see that's supposed to grab onto this back end right here. And then the front ones have little hooks, and those grab onto the bottom part of your vent, right? Well, the top part, I guess. I don't know this. But yeah, it fits pretty nice. So yeah, you just, let's see if I can see the grooves right now. Yeah, I see the little grooves. So you can adjust it higher or lower, whatever you want. I have it as high as I can, I think, just because I want to be able to get air out of here and hit me. But yeah, so just put it in the back. Oh, well, yeah. So I put the tape, you know, it's not that thick, but it's just enough to where it makes a tight fit. So you just put this in the front, snap it into place in the back, and pretty tight. Really like it. It's only like 24 bucks. Especially compared to like the Ram mounts ones that are like 50, 60 bucks for the top. Like that's ridiculous. Now this one is not too bad. It doesn't look out of place, you know, looks pretty nice. And it holds the phone really well. The only bad thing is that it's all plastic, so I'm assuming eventually it's gonna fail, but for 24 bucks it's not too bad, and it does a really good job.